Hello.
We are live, sir. We can start.
Okay, sir. ஆரம்பிச்சலாமா சார்?
ஆரம்பிச்சேன் sir.
Very good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, welcome address by Dr. Raja Krishnan. I am very glad to welcome you all in this occasion. In the belongs to our Chevalier G.S. Pillai Ayya. The Department of Management Studies and the Department of Business Administration has jointly organized a webinar on prospect of digital marketing and post-lockdown period. It is an immense pleasure for me to invite you all. I welcome the chairperson of this institution, Mrs. Jodhimani Amma. I would like to welcome the whole institution who encourage the faculty and the students not with his words, with his smile and hard work, along with our respected and beloved Secretary Sir, Dr. Sri Parameswaran, EGSP Group of Institution. I welcome you, sir. Now I am very happy to welcome you, dynamic woman of this institution, Professor Sumati Parameswaran, Director, Academic, GSP Group of Institution. Our beloved my friend, Mr. Vijay Sundaram, Director, Administration, welcome you. And I am happy welcome you, CEO of our group of institution, Dr. Chandrasekhar sir, welcome you. In this happiest occasion, now I welcome you, the Iron Man of Heartbeat of Arts and Science College and Pattern, as well as my beloved friend of our principal, Dr. Narrajan, welcome you, sir. Now I am happy, heartily welcome to our high ball of our college, poet, our vice principal, Dr. Mohammad Ismail and Dr. Kale Perumal, welcome you, sir. Welcome the person who plays with his words in his speech, Vice Principal and Head of the Department of Business Administration, Dr. S. Karpagam. Welcome you, ma'am. Now I am very glad to warm welcome the keynote speaker and the great legends of the chief guest of this webinar, Dr. G. Veeramani, Professor and Head of the Department of Management Studies, Sri Sankara College of Arts and Science, Kanjipuram. On behalf of management, students, and staff, warm welcome you, sir. Now I am very glad to welcome you our webinar participating head of the department of various colleges, staff, research scholars, students in various colleges, universities in India as well as abroad. Welcome you all participations. Last but not least, once again I welcome you one and all participating in the webinar. Thank you. Now the felicitation address by our principal, Dr. Narrajan. Natarajan? Hello?
Dr. Natarajan is not there, sir, on the line.
Nataraj?
So some technical issues, I think, is not available. We'll start with the program. Sir, on behalf of the management of the EGSP Group of Institution, I welcome our Dr. Veeramani sir, who has accepted our invitation in spite of his busy schedule. Thank you very much for our expectation, sir. And the digital marketing, in fact, is a very great subject. Many of the people have been talking around, but reality works with great difficulty. So you are the person who can bring this program to a common man to understand how we can use digital marketing during and after the lockdown period. In fact, everybody is talking about lockdown period, but how this digital marketing will help us. And lots of questions which the participants are coming in, like, can we use digital marketing? How is it going to be useful? I will request you to answer this with these words. I once again welcome you, sir, and the session is yours, sir. And thank you for your sir. Start the session, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Veeramani. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, sir.
The Secretary of the EGSP Group of Institution, Management Committee members, and the CEO, Dr. Chandrasekhar, EGS Group of Institutions, Dr. Narrajan, Principal, EGSP Arts and Science College, Dr. Rajakrishnan, HOD, Department of Management Studies, other faculty members of EGSP Group, and student friends, and other participants from different colleges. I extend my warm welcome and my good morning to everyone. I want to start with the quote of our Bharati. எண்ணிய முடிதல் வேண்டும், நல்லவே எண்ணல் வேண்டும், திண்ணிய நெஞ்சம் வேண்டும், தெளிந்த நல்லறிவு வேண்டும். இது பாரதியாருடைய ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட். According to Bharati, we need to learn many things with clarity, so that such a kind of programs are taking place. Today's topic is prospects of digital marketing after lockdown. Now we are under lockdown. Totally the total market across the globe affected, stagnated. It gives some advice how to go further, how to lead, how to compete with the problem, how to solve this. Suppose we are taking that old traditional marketing, we have to advertise more and more in the newspaper, magazine, hoardings, boardings, such a thing. But nowadays the trend has been changed. After 2010, everything under digital marketing. It is only because of the IT sector development, information technology development. Even the lockdown forced us to meet you through website, through online. Through online only we are speaking. Usually with the physical crowd we are have some energy to speak. But through net we have to start up with some energy. This is the future of India, future of globe. This is a future. No second thought in it. Right. During lockdown, many grocery shops across Tamil Nadu, they have started their business through market the products online. They have started to market the products online. They have sent the message to the public, to the customers, for what? Please send the list. We are ready to deliver the goods at your doorstep. According to that, they have delivered. According to that, they have delivered the things. So this situation is giving us some lesson to learn how we are going to face the situation. This picture shows that the digitalization image. Across the globe, the network is going like anything. Under cloud computing, so many things, right? Many things are happening nowadays. Now, the present situation is the hot cake in the market. The digital marketing is a hot cake in the market. Not only as career opportunity, but also business expansion and brand visibility. We are in a situation to expand our business. For expansion, the online mode is giving more support. It is easy to reach. It is easy to reach. Even this invitation has reached more than 1,000 people within 2 or 3 days. Suppose if it's a product advertisement or service advertisement, it will reach everyone easily. So we can easily expand our business activities. After introduction of the Amazon and other things, Flipkart, Snapdeal, we are aware about, they are creating some awareness where it is available. What are the colors? What about the size? What about the price? Even they are delivering the goods at our doorsteps. So easily they are expanding. Even the government of India, the digital India, what is focusing? They have to connect the rural areas first. They are having the motto to connect the rural area. Already, city, metropolitan cities are the corporations and rural area connected. Urban area connected, sorry. Rural area they have to cover. For that they are working. Every market is focusing on the rural sector. The rural to be covered. Then only we can succeed in the marketing activities. The brand visibility through online, whatever we are searching, we will know about SEO, search engine optimization. Even for our mind, should search well for our career development. Unless otherwise, nothing will be generated in our mind. Mind should work, mind should search something. Likewise, here the SEO, search engine optimization, should work well. Through digital marketing, simply we are promoting. Therefore, the customers.
உங்க நம்பர் போயிருந்தா ஈஸியா இருக்கும். கேளுங்க அவங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் அட்டெண்ட் பண்றாங்களா? அதே இல்ல அதே யூஸ் பண்றது.
Sorry sir, some interruption.
அம்சு நம்ம அப்படியே வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணிட்டு.
Sorry sir, some interruption.
From the நம்ம அட எஸ்எம்எஸ் பண்ணி விட்டுங்க, வாட்ஸ்அப் பண்ணாதீங்க.
Customers need every marketing activities. What is happening?
மப்பு வேற பேச மாட்டீங்களா கோச்சுக்கலாம்.
Hello. Customers needs to be understand. Nowadays, the present situation is changing the taste, needs, and wants of the customers. So according to that, we have to promote the product or services. Actually, as I told you earlier, the digital marketing started growing in India around 2010. With the introduction of e-companies like Amazon, Snapdeal, Flipkart, they are giving more visibility for the product and services. The digital marketing in India had a tremendous growth from the year 2010 till date, and it is going to grow. Every year, 25 to 40% growing like anything, right? This is the digital marketing type, social media, e-marketing, affiliate marketing, search engine optimization, viral marketing, search engine marketing, influencer marketing. These are all very common methods of digital marketing. Now the significance of digital marketing. It is very easy to understand through website, through networking, through internet. Almost all are using the mobile phone, smart mobile phone. And almost the internet is cheaper in cost nowadays when compared with last 1 decade or last 2 decades. Now it is very cheaper. So through that, when we are operating, when we are searching the product or service in the net, it is very easy to know about the products, the color, size, price, availability, producers, quantity, quality, whatever the case. Then collaborative importance. Nowadays, Every company is having the collaboration. Amazon is a service provider. They are having collaboration with the actual producer of the product. Likewise, they are fixation of solutions. They are giving a chance to the consumer while buying the product. If you are not interested, if you are not like the product, you can send back within 10 days. Then the smaller business people are easily growing their business. Even one of my student doing the online business at Sivagasi, morning he will post the product and its features with the price in the WhatsApp. Afternoon, it will be sold out. It will be sold out. Even pickle, mango, then egg, televisions, smartphones, sanitizers, everything he is marketing. Even N95 mask he is marketing. Morning he will post it, afternoon he will put the message, sold out, sir. In such a way, the small business is growing like anything only because of digital. Without digitalization, we may not understand what is happening in the producer side or marketer side. Nowadays, everyone can understand what is happening there. Then we can establish our brand reputation. Even every admissions, when we are searching the website, automatically GS Pillai Kalluri, GS Pillai College advertisement may come up, or some other reputed college advertisement may come up. So it will give some inspiration in the mind of the searcher who is searching the website. Then cost effectiveness. The cost will be very cheaper. As I told, in the traditional market, we have spent such a huge amount on advertisement. Now, simply we are creating the website, we are getting the support of the web developer, we can simply post something, it will give more and more advertisement of our product or service. The target audience in olden days, without knowing the audience of the particular product or service, the targeted customers, we have spent many amount or huge amount on advertisement. But now, suppose we are searching a car. If you are searching a car, only cars will come. Suppose we are searching a car in Maruti, the Maruti car only will appear. Likewise, garment, many things, whatever you feel, whatever beauty products, whatever cosmetic products or pharmaceutical products, whatever the products, if you are searching, you can easily get the particular advertisement alone. Suppose you need a plumbing, you can get the details of the plumber, where he is, what he is doing, what he is charging, everything we can get, right? So the specific demographic and interest we can get into account. These methods included advertising in bulk, that is in olden days, as I told, in newspaper, banners, etc. But nowadays, we are giving only digital advertisement. So the drawback of the traditional advertisement is enabled here. Enabled as positive things in digital marketing. There we spend more amount on advertisement. We have invested more on advertisement. Our profit was less, but now our investment is less. We are getting more and more profit. The rate of return on investments is going more and more. After knowing the needs of the gender, needs of the age group, the gender group, age group, language group, location or interest, we can simply categorize, and according to that, we can offer the product or services. Every marketing, the customers are the king. We are focusing only customers' need. In olden days, we have used radio. After that, we have used TV. Nowadays, we are using internet. No, nowadays, the people are not aware about, the current generation may not aware about what is radio, the transistor. But tape recorder, those things are not in the market. That is outdated. Now everyone going with the smartphones, right? The smartphone only leads the digital marketing activities well. Compared to traditional marketing, with outstanding features like time and effort, saving global reach. In those days, we are giving advertisement means it is around Nagapattinam district or around Tamil Nadu or South India or India. Now, the internet access will across the globe. Across the globe, it is reaching everywhere. Global reach is the main importance of digitalization, digital marketing activities. Even the lockdown period gives an opportunity to the producers of masks and sanitizers. They are also, nowadays we are crossing some advertisement in the WhatsApp. You can have the bulk order with the cheaper price. Mask 7 rupees 50 paise. They are ready to market it with a cheaper price. Suppose if you are going to buy it in the medical shop, it may be 10 or 12 rupees. But here they are marketing it for 7.5 bulk purchases through online. So it is giving some flexibility. Suppose we are interested, we can buy, or otherwise we can leave. And then we can give instant response. Veno, venda. I am willing, like or dislike. On the other hand, high rate of return on investment. The return, we are working only for return on investment. The business is working in between two, investment and sales turnover. In between the small return on investment. We have to, when we are increasing more turnover, sales turnover, automatically our profit will increase. In between that, we have to meet the advertisement cost. Now, the advertisement cost is very, very cheaper when we are going through the email, internet banking activities. So, the future scope of digital marketing industry is that there will be more visibility and brand awareness online, which will easily accessible to the customers as per the exact requirement. The exact requirement you can understand. Usually we are getting the feedback from the customers. Even after this program, we are going to get the feedback from the audience. How it was, where we have to correct. Likewise, the customers giving feedback about the product or service to the marketers. Based on that, they are doing some changes. Though exact requirement will be taken into account for the expansion of marketing activities. Why companies are using the digital marketing? And there are about 462 million internet users in India in 2017. Now it is more than 498 million internet users. We are the second largest internet users in the globe. With that, the online marketing growing like anything. With that, the online marketing growing like anything. Main reason behind the digital marketing, low cost, high rate of investment. When we are offering through internet, the middleman involvement is very less. Middleman involvement is very less. So we no need to spend such a huge amount as commission to the middleman. As commission to the middleman. Usually, many products become marketed through middlemen, the retailer, agents, wholesaler, or stockists, so many names. Whenever the products or services crosses more number of middlemen, automatically we have to lose such a huge amount as commission. For that, the marketer will charge more on the product price. But through digitalization, through digital marketing, the products are marketed with a cheaper price. On the other hand, the marketer will get more rate of return on investments. And it is highly suitable for the startup companies, small and medium enterprises, and also MNCs. Nowadays, the mobile user is one of the most, the mobile phone is one of the most used device for communication globally. As per the survey or statistical report, it shows that near about in 2015, the mobile user 242.92 million. But now 500 point, now it is 448 million in 2020. In 2023, it may increase, it may grow, or it may cross 500.9 million. Did the lockdown accelerate digitalization of India? Yes. The lockdown accelerating the digital marketing. As I told you earlier, almost even the grocery shops, the local grocery shops, ready to market the products through WhatsApp. They are simply, we are ordering through WhatsApp, they are delivering the goods at our doorstep, the local people. Some slackness in the first and second lockdown in the digital marketing, but now slowly it is growing. It is growing. The gradual transformation to the mobile advertisement with a significant advertising budget being allocated to digital. Not for forget the large scale adoption of 4G networking in India that led to faster browsing speed. The browsing speed has been increased from 2G, 3G, we are now in 4G, then it will go 5G or something. So the lockdown resulting in a sudden surge to online activities, we are going to witness a major spike in advertisement, more into digital mobile advertisement. It is happening. Some of the experts pointed out, the former telecom and IT secretary R. Chandrasekhar says that companies connected with the digital world and providing services with the enabled digital entertainment, work and office system, among others, and logistics supply chain could do well. As he is concerned with the information technology, he is insisting that the digital world will go up. The digital world will go up. That is what I am telling. After 5 or 10 years, the digital, totally we have to depend for everything in the digital market. Almost in all the cities, they are depending Swiggy for getting food items. They are delivering. Even for that tours and travels, through online we are booking nowadays. In olden days, we had to go and wait and get the rooms. Now we are through online, we are doing everything. Even for booking ticket for darshan of TTD, simply now it is simplified. In those days, we have waited more than 24 hours or 36 hours, but now they are fixing the timing. Right? So the digital world going to provide very good service in the future. And another industry official said that the sectors like transportation, storage, warehousing, and would come back quickly once the lockdown is lifted. Because once the lockdown is lifted, we have to transport the goods from one place to another place. So transportation, storage, warehousing, those things will be lifted out. So slowly the tourism, hotel, and other operations will normalize. I'm going to focus something because there are too many sectors to discuss. Due to time constraints, I'm taking some 5 sectors, how they are performing, how it will be after the lockdown. First one, the banking. In those days, everyone should stand in a queue. Everyone should stand in a queue. The teller system will be there. Teller 1, teller 2, we have to get the DD, we have to stand in a queue. We have to spend more than half a day for getting a DD. But nowadays, due to core banking, internet banking, mobile banking, everything simplified. Everything simplified. Simply we can transfer 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 5 lakh, whatever the case, depends upon the permission given by the banker. So banking industries of 2030 will look very different from what this looks like today. Definitely there will be a tremendous change in the banking sector. Though some crimes are happening here and there, that is to be neglected. But on the other hand, it is very easy to render good service to the society. Uncertainty will be happen everywhere. But because of the competitiveness, competition in between the private sector and the public sector, every bank come forward to deliver the things well, deliver good service. Competitive rate of interest on deposits, they are increasing 5% extra for senior citizens. Likewise, competitive reduced rate of interest for lending loans and loans, 0.25% less, something they are giving. And they are opening the branches. Even in the remote areas, they are ready to serve the rural poor. The information technology gives much importance for creating mobile app. That is simplified. That is simplified. Now many banks applications are very simplified. Through net we can, through mobile we can do, through smartphone we can do the things well. The technology will reshape how to live and communicate. This will have an impact in a number of ways, including hyper-connected world as the norm, engaged as a service, and the rise of super applications. So definitely the 2030 will be the bright future for the banking, digital banking. Leading banks will become trusted interface for life embedded within the needs and lifestyle of the consumers. For banks to truly succeed and stay relevant, we have identified many key things will be tackled and owned. Another thing, learning, educational sector, education, e-learning. The technology gives more opportunity for e-learning. Today what we are doing, the digital technology and e-learning offers a way to break this statement, to tackle the inconsistencies and inequalities in our system, and to transform our country into true knowledge economy. We well known about the MOOC courses, massive online courses offered by NPTEL, National Program on Technological Enhanced Learning. Then SWAYAM, study web of active learning for young and aspiring minds. SWAYAM, MOOC, or other courses they are offering. Now, even for digital marketing, many institutes offering short-term courses on digital marketing. Advertisements are coming. Many advertisements are coming. Once upon a time, some 10 years back or 20 years back, through video conferencing, they are speaking through video conferencing, they are sharing the thoughts through video conferences. It was unimaginable in olden days. But now, the lockdown gives right opportunities for the educational institutions to do many programs across India, across Tamil Nadu. We are getting, every day we are getting lot of advertisements, lot of brochures through our WhatsApp groups. The young students are participating, faculty members are participating, research scholars are participating to enhance their knowledge. Every organization, even universities are conducting. Slowly, it was started from some colleges. Now, every universities, they have started the webinars like this. To begin with, the e-learning acts as a great facilitator for teachers as well as the students. From the room, 10 by 10 room, we are delivering. From different parts, you are listening this program. So it is very easy to deliver. In olden days, when we are addressing in a meeting, there will be a mic with this strong bass. The speaker will catch that the mic stand, because some shivering will be there here for him to deliver the things. So simply he'll hold it and speak the things. After some time, podium was there. Even podium is there. Some we can have strongly we can catch the podium, we can deliver the things. But nowadays, without knowing seeing the faces of audience, we are delivering. Simply we are delivering. It is only because of internet. Unless otherwise, we can't. It is only because of lockdown. The lockdown only gives an opportunity to search. The search engine is working here. So we have searched. Go Meet, Google Meet, go to the meeting, WebEx. Likewise, we are searching. Because this is a time we are forced to search the things well. We are succeeding. We are succeeding. Right? So, this is giving the right opportunity to learn more, to have the partnership with the foreign educational institutions, foreign universities. Some of the universities are having tie-up with the foreign universities to share the knowledge through video conferencing, right? Hospitality, it is another sector going to develop after lockdown, because in China, after 3 months, they have started tourism, they have started everything. Now they are attracting more tourists. Even after some time, we can start our tourism activities well, because only through tourism we are getting more foreign exchange. More revenue we are getting only through foreign tourists. So after some time, it will go up. This is a business, because we well known that the Kodaikanal or Ooty people are suffering like anything without tourist people. So after lockdown, it will be normalized. We can easily book the tickets. You can easily book the rooms. The new application to search budget hotels. Then we will know about the Red Bus. Many things are offering. Many applications are there. Many service providers are there to offer well for developing this particular sector. So today there are a number of platforms where you can promote your hotels. You can't afford to miss this platform if you want to boost your business. Many applications are there. Simply we have to get into the member in Voivo. Automatically they are highlighting our hotel industry or travel, whatever the case. FMCG, fast moving consumer goods, we well known about that. Many opportunities are there. The digital marketing informs about the product rather than selling. Simply, they are not come through internet to force us to buy. Simply, they are explaining the content of the product. After seeing all those things, whether we are going to buy it or not, we are going to decide. We are going to decide. So, the digital marketing helps in identifying your FMCG competitors and their strategies to attract consumers through their social media activities. First, we have to understand who are all our customers. We can simply compare Even in olden days, in newspaper, they will give comparative advertisement. Some companies, with the permission of other companies, they will compare. The Hyundai and Maruti cars will be compared. But nowadays, in the internet, when you are clicking for some products, same product like that, same product like that. Likewise, the messages are coming. If you are not interested in that particular product, suppose product A, you are not interested on product A means you can simply go for product B. So these are the service providers. We will know about Flipkart, Snapdeal, BigBasket, JioMart, many things are there. The entertainment, this is another industry. The entertainment industry is spending millions of dollars on digital marketing. From a celebrity to the movie, everyone wants to use the digital platform for publicity, main thing. Publicity. Unless otherwise, we can't survive in the market. That is the thing. We have to advertise more and more about us. Unless otherwise, we can't do anything. So, we have to understand the digital marketing strategies of others, the vision of other companies. Based on that, we have to change something differently. Even in movies, Vasu movies are somewhat different from Sankar movies. So they are giving their talent in that particular picturization, the pictures, in that movie. What are the benefits of digital marketing in the entertainment industry? We can reach large number of audience base. And then the fan followers, we can build up better fan followers for entertainment activities. And we can create a good impression for the particular project. Before the project is coming out, they are giving trailer. They are giving some little bit advertisements. Even through online it is coming out. After that, it will reach many people, millions of people. Now, how this, till that we have discussed about the brand and expansion of business activities. Now we are in the career opportunities. The youngsters are getting right opportunities in nowadays in Amazon. More than 100 people are engaging in and around Kanjipuram for delivering the products to deliver the product to the doorstep of the consumers. They are getting very good salary, incentives for them. Likewise, as an youngster, even you can start the business here. The digital marketing will take your business to the next level of progress. For every activities, we have to start first. Even to the 1,000 miles of work, single step is the beginning. We have to move. We have to take the first step. Then we have to run. Then only we can succeed in the market. Overnight, we can't become very big businessman. So there are a lot of opportunities to own your business here. Health, as I told you earlier, the health sector, already they have started. Already they have started. Well, even during lockdown, the health, medical, pharmaceutical products moving well. Real estate, education, travel, hotel industry, IT, finance, retail, etc. To gain more benefits and revenue generation, be updated with the latest trend in the digital marketing. That is very, very important. Even the teachers should learn day by day. Then only we can face the students, those who are using the smartphone, because they are learning more than us. They are technically well versed nowadays. So as a teachers, we have to learn more and more. So as a marketer, or as a businessman, for this particular activities, you have to update the knowledge about digital marketing. It has become necessary for every business owners to know digital marketing. So everyone should be aware about it. Everyone should be aware about it. Or you can be a freelancer. Just you can take the project from the client and do something. For that, you can get something to learn about the business. This will give you the freedom to work on your own comfort, time, and location. Freelancing can be done along with full-time job or part-time job. To become a successful digital marketer, you need to develop your skill, such as creativity. That is very, very important. Creativity. Usually, in the malls, they are keeping the products with some decoration and other things, even keychains. They may decorate. They can have the focus light on it, and that will be more attractive. 10 rupees worth of keychain, they will market it for 100 rupees. Because the creativeness, the lighting, the appearance will be good. So likewise here we must have some creative idea how we are going to market our product through digital. Then analytical ability. We have to analyze the past, present, and future. The competitors' movement. Everything to be analyzed. Then willingness to experiment. As I told you earlier, we can't become the businessman overnight. Very good businessman overnight. So we have to experiment. Sometimes we may fail. When we are failing, there is a light for our success. There is a small spark for our success. So from failing, we have to understand. We have to learn. Then copywriting. Then good knowledge about the technology. Then upgrading yourself by reading blogs of digital marketing influencers. Those who are in the particular blogs. We have to understand. Those who are our competitors. Then only we can do some changes in the product, color, style, price, whatever the case. Right? Nowadays, even for digital marketing, you can start your own agency. With the ability to manage a business and resources, you can start your own digital marketing agency. Understanding your client business and implementing digital marketing for the same is vital for business growth and consumer satisfaction. With the ability of global reach Digital marketing will become the visibility of any business extensively. We can easily expand our business activities. So we must have the mindset. We must have the mindset. I can succeed. I can win in the race. Unless otherwise, nobody can win. அருமையா சொல்லுவாரு, முயலும் வெல்லும் ஆமையும் வெல்லும், முயலாமை மட்டும் வெல்லாது. ரைட்? முயலும் வெல்லும் ஆமையும் வெல்லும், முயலாமை ரைட், முயலாமை வெல்லவே வெல்லாது. குட். So digital marketing prepares you for the full-time job or freelancer or entrepreneur, blogger or YouTuber. It will be an individual choice to opt for any one or multiple sources of income depending on your interest. Let us digitalize, be a part of Digital India, one of the fastest growing industry in India. Some video is there. Please go through the video. Then we will go for a question answer session.
Investment or expense. நம்ம எல்லாருக்குமே தெரியும், இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் அண்ட் எக்ஸ்பென்ஸ் நடுவில் ஒரு மெல்லிசான கோடு தான். இடத்துல காசு போடுறோம், திரும்ப ரிட்டர்ன்ஸ் வந்துச்சுன்னா இட்ஸ் இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட். வரல பட் we have to spend அப்படின்றது இட்ஸ் an எக்ஸ்பென்ஸ். ஸோ ரெண்டுத்துக்கு நடுவில் இருக்கிற ஒரே டிஃபரன்ஸ் ரிட்டர்ன்ஸ். ஸோ நம்ம பிஸ்னஸ் பண்றோம், 2 ஹியூமன் ரிசோர்ஸ் ஹையர் பண்றோம், இல்லை மெஷின்ஸ் வாங்குறோம், அது மூலமா நம்மளுடைய ப்ரொடக்டிவிட்டி இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும், சேல்ஸ் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும்னு நினைச்சீங்கன்னா இட்ஸ் an இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட். இல்லை டேக்ஸ் பே பண்றது, ஆஃபீஸ் ரெண்ட்ஸ், எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி பில்ஸ், இதெல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸ்பென்ஸ் வரும். இதை விட ஒன் ஆஃப் தி மோஸ்ட் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் பிசினஸ் ஆக்டிவிட்டியா இந்த காலகட்டத்தில் பார்க்க போற ஒரு ஃபேக்டர் இஸ் மார்க்கெட்டிங். ஸோ யூ ஆர் ஹேவிங் எ ப்ராடக்ட். உங்களுடைய டார்கெட் செக்மெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு எக்ஸாக்டா ரீச் பண்றதுக்கு யூ நீட் அ கம்யூனிகேஷன் சேனல். அந்த கம்யூனிகேஷன் சேனல் எந்த அளவுக்கு எஃபெக்டிவாகவும் ரெலவெண்டாகவும் இருக்கோ அதை பேஸ் பண்ணி தான் உங்களுடைய சக்சஸ் இருக்கு. தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அ குட் மார்க்கெட்டிங். ஸோ ஒரு 40 years பேக் மார்க்கெட்டர்ஸ் எல்லாருமே டார்கெட்டிங் நியூஸ் பேப்பர். ஏன்னா நிறைய பேர் வந்து நியூஸ் பேப்பர் படிச்சுட்டு இருக்காங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் ரேடியோ, டெலிவிஷன், பேனர் ஆட்ஸ்ன்ற மாதிரி இப்போ இன்டர்நெட் மார்க்கெட்டிங், ஆன்லைன் மார்க்கெட்டிங் வந்து. ஸோ நீங்க டிஜிட்டல் மார்க்கெட்டிங் பண்ணியிருந்தீங்கன்னா நீங்களே ஒன் டைம் இதை இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்டா பார்த்துருப்பீங்க, ஒன் டைம் இது உங்களுக்கு எக்ஸ்பென்ஸா கூட தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும். அந்த டெசிஷன் நீங்க எப்படி எடுத்திருக்கீங்கன்னா, மேபி கான்சியஸா எடுத்திருப்பீங்க, இல்ல சப்கான்சியஸ் லெவல்ல கூட உங்களுக்கு தெரியாம கூட அப்படி யோசிச்சிருப்பீங்க. அது எப்படி யோசிக்கிறீங்கன்னா, these 3 important reasons. இதுல ஏதாவது ஒண்ணு கண்டிப்பா இருக்கும். So the first one is B2B or B2C. B2B பிளேயர்ஸை விட B2C பண்றவங்க டெஃபினட்டா மார்க்கெட்டிங் வந்து இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்டா தான் பார்க்கணும். இட்ஸ் an essential nowadays. ஏன்னா they need to reach more number of individual customers to become successful in their business. So second one is demand and supply. For example, இப்போ மார்க்கெட்ல டிமாண்ட் ஹையா கூட இருக்கலாம், பட் நம்மளால அந்த டிமாண்டுக்கு சப்ளை பண்ண முடியாதுன்னு நம்ம நினைக்கும் போது we'll cut down the marketing expenses. ஸோ நம்ம மார்க்கெட்டிங் அதிகம் பண்ண மாட்டோம், அதை இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணணும்னு நினைக்க மாட்டோம். ஸோ அது நமக்கு ஒரு எக்ஸ்பென்ஸாக தான் தெரியும் அந்த டைம்ல. ஸோ தேர்ட் ஒன் இஸ் காம்படிஷன் அண்ட் க்ரோத். ஸோ உங்களுடைய மார்க்கெட்ல வந்து ஹெவி காம்படிஷனாக இருக்கும்போது டெஃபினட்டா சர்வைவல்காண்டியே நீங்க மார்க்கெட்டிங் பண்ணி தான் ஆகணும். இட்ஸ் அன் எசென்ஷியல் இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட் ஆகிடும். அண்ட் காம்படிஷன் இல்லைனாலும் கூட இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு பிகம் அ மோனோபோலி இன் யுவர் மார்க்கெட், உங்க க்ரோத் காமிக்கணும், இல்லை யூ வாண்ட் டு க்ரோ மோர் அப்படின்னா definitely you need to reach more audience. Reach பண்றதுக்கு you need a communication channel, that is marketing. So marketing becomes your investment. So our best marketing strategy கான ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் வந்து என்னன்னா, obviously company should be profitable, revenue growth ஆகணும், and second one brand reputation should increase, and third factor is customer loyalty should increase. அதாவது existing customer எந்த அளவுக்கு ரீடைன் பண்ணுதுன்றதும் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஸோ டிஜிட்டல் மார்க்கெட்டிங் மூலமா இந்த மூணுத்தையும் எப்படி ஈஸியா அச்சீவ் பண்ணலான்றதான் பார்க்க போறோம். So first one is profitability. கரெக்டான டார்கெட் செக்மெண்ட்டுக்கு கரெக்டான மார்க்கெட்டிங் ரீச் கொடுத்தாலே டெஃபினெட்லி ப்ராஃபிட் வில் இன்க்ரீஸ். அது எப்படி ஆன்லைன்ல பண்றோம்? ஸோ நீங்க ஒரு பெயிண்டிங் கான்ட்ராக்டர்னு வச்சுக்கோங்க, you can easily reach your target segments through website promotions, that is SEO. நான் வந்து இப்போ பெயிண்டிங் கான்ட்ராக்டர் இன் சென்னைன்னு சர்ச் பண்றேன், ஏன்னா எனக்கு டீன் இருக்கு. ஸோ உங்க வெப்சைட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பேஜ்ல வரும் கூகுள்ல. ஸோ ஐ எம் டைரக்ட்லி காலிங் யூ. வேற யாருக்குமே உங்க வெப்சைட் தெரியாது. ஒன்லி பெயிண்டிங் கான்ட்ராக்டர் இன் சென்னைன்னு சர்ச் பண்றவங்களுக்கு தான் நீங்க தெரிவிங்க. ஸோ இட்ஸ் வெரி டார்கெட்டட் மார்க்கெட்டிங். இது மூலமா டெஃபினெட்லி உங்களுக்கு ப்ராஃபிட் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆகும். ஸோ செகண்ட் ஒன் இஸ் பிராண்ட் ரெப்புடேஷன். உங்களோட ஆடு எவ்வளவு பேருக்கு ரீச் ஆயிருக்கு அப்படின்றது வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் இல்லையா? நம்மளுடைய பிராண்ட் எத்தனை பேர் தெரிஞ்சிருக்கு, எவ்வளவு பேர் நம்ம பத்தி பேசிட்டு இருக்காங்கிறது தெரிஞ்சிருக்குங்கிறது வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட். ஸோ அதை ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நீங்க நியூஸ் பேப்பர் கொடுக்குறீங்க, இல்ல டிவி ஆட்ஸ் கொடுக்குறீங்க, எவ்வளவு பேர் அதை படிக்கிறாங்க, இல்லை எவ்வளவு பேர் அந்த ஆட் பாக்குறாங்கிறத உங்களால மெஷர் பண்ண முடியும். பட் ஹியர் இன் த்ரூ ஆன்லைன் யூ கேன் ஈஸிலி மெஷர் திஸ். ஸோ உங்க வெப்சைட் எவ்வளவு பேர் டெய்லி விசிட் பண்றாங்க, ஃபேஸ்புக்ல நீங்க ஒரு போஸ்ட் போட்டீங்கன்னா அது எவ்வளவு பேர் பாக்குறாங்க, நீங்க ஒரு பூஸ்ட் பண்ணிருக்கீங்கன்னா அது எவ்வளவு பேர் ஆடியன்ஸ்க்கு ரீச் ஆயிருக்கு, எவ்வளவு பேர் லைக்ஸ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. அண்ட் இமெயில் கேம்பெயின்ஸ் பண்றீங்கன்னா இமெயில்ல எவ்வளவு பேர் ஓபன் பண்றாங்க. இந்த மாதிரி யூ கேன் கெட் அ கிளியர் கட் ஸ்டாட்டிஸ்டிக் ரெக்கார்ட் ஆஃப் யுவர் டிஜிட்டல் கேம்பெயின்ஸ். ஸோ அந்த டேட்டா மூலமா யூ கேன் மேக் அ டெசிஷன். ஓகே, இப்படி பண்ணா எவ்வளவு பேர் ரீச் ஆயிருக்கு. ஸோ இட் ஹெல்ப்ஸ் இன் யுவர் டெசிஷன் மேக்கிங் ஆஸ்பெக்ட். ஸோ இட்ஸ் அ குட் இன்வெஸ்ட்மெண்ட். தேர்ட் ஒன் இஸ் கிரியேட்டிங் கஸ்டமர் லாயல்ட்டி. அதாவது எக்ஸிஸ்டிங் கஸ்டமர் எந்த அளவுக்கு நீங்க ரீடைன் பண்றீங்க. ஸோ ரீடைன் பண்ணணும்னா we need to communicate with them frequently. நம்ம பிராண்ட் நம்ம எந்த ஒரு புது ப்ராடக்ட்
வீரமணி சார்.
சார்
சார் வீடியோ இந்த பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்டுக்கு தெரியல.
சம் டெக்னிக்கல்
ஏதாவது வாய்ப்பு இருந்தா?
இல்ல ஒரே ஒரு சம் 30 செகண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கு அந்த வீடியோ, அவ்வளவுதான்.
அது வந்து எல்லாருக்கும் டிஸ்ப்ளே ஆகுற மாதிரி பாருங்களேன்.
டிஸ்ப்ளே ஆகலையா இப்போ?
இது வரல, எனக்கே வரல. அது மற்ற பார்ட்டிசிபென்ட்டுக்கு வருதா வேற ஏதாவது தெரியுது? ஏன்னா அன்மியூட் பண்ணாதான் தெரியும். அதனால அன்மியூட்ல உள்ளவங்க யாராவது வீடியோ தெரிஞ்சான்னு மட்டும் சொல்லுங்க. அன்மியூட்ல உள்ளவங்க. டாக்டர் ராஜகிருஷ்ணன் சார், சிஇஓ சார்.
கேக்குதா பாருங்க.
இல்ல வீடியோ வரல எனக்கு தெரியல.
ஆடியோ வருதா?
ஆடியோ நீங்க பேசுறது வருது. இதுக்கப்புறம் நீங்க ப்ரீவியஸா நீங்க போட்டீங்க இல்லையா, அது வந்துச்சு. அந்த ஆடியோ மட்டும் வந்தது.
ஓ, ஆடியோ மட்டும் தான் வந்துச்சா? ஒரே நிமிஷம்.
விஎஸ்ஆர் சார்
போட்டு அவங்க பார்த்துக்கோங்க.
விஎஸ்ஆர் சார்
சார் அந்த லிங்கை காப்பி பண்ணி சாட்ல போட்டுருக்கோம்.
சாட்ல போட்டு விட்டுருங்க இல்லைன்னா சார். நீங்க போட்டு இந்த வீடியோ இந்த லிங்கை வந்து நீங்க யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிடுங்க.
ரைட். வெரி குட். ஹலோ, கேக்குதா?
நீங்க பேசுறது கேக்குதுங்க சார்.
ரைட். ஹலோ
சார், சொல்லுங்க சார்.
ரைட் சார், வீடியோட லிங்க் வந்துட்டு சாட்ல கொடுத்துருக்கோம். ப்ளீஸ் கோ த்ரூ தட் வீடியோ த்ரூ யுவர் வெப், internet or smartphone. You can understand what is about digital marketing, basic of digital marketing. Thank you for the opportunity. Please raise any questions.
Sir, I am Dr. Nadarajan.
சொல்லுங்க.
Principal of EJSP Arts and Science College.
கடந்து போகும்.
This is the first attempt. I think not only I think we feels we successfully completed the first webinar with the blessings of our founder chairman Almighty Chevalier GS Pillai and our secretary S Parameswaran sir and our present chairman GS Jodhimani Ammal, trust members, CEO and directors of the group of institutions for their encouragement and wonderful support to organize this webinar, sir. I appeal the participant today's session is very good, but I am it is a time, but a late time to introduce some information about the chief guest. Is having the experience, one or two lines. Is having the experience of 3 decades in leading engineering and arts and science colleges. He successfully presented 75 national and international seminars, and also producing 14 PhD and 17 MPhil scholars. With this information, I am raising one question to the resource persons. I am asking the one question to the resource person.
Please, sir.
Is the digital, because of the digital marketing affects the local vendors? If any of the local vendors facing some problems through digital marketing, how the local vendors or small vendors overcome this problem?
See,
This is the question.
okay, right. Usually, when that more and Reliance Press coming into the market for as a supermarket, automatically it will affect the small marketers. That is quite natural one. We can't escape from that. Likewise, the local vendors will get some market. They have to lose their market. There is no second opinion in it.
Okay.
On the other hand, the customers what they are expecting, where we can get with the cheaper price. That is a main thing. There only we can buy. Suppose if I need a bulb, LED bulb, 9 watt LED bulb for a dozen of bulb we need. Suppose if I am asking the local vendor, he may say 90 rupees. Through Amazon, I can get it for 75 rupees. Even if it is failure, I can return it. So I am getting satisfied with its 150 rupees of savings, and I can immediately return. If I am dislike it, I can return it immediately. If I am dissatisfied with the product, I can return it immediately. So local vendor may affect. That is, there is no second thought. They will affect. Right. Then.
Sir, you already told in your presentation regarding employment. Employment opportunities. Is the digital marketing requires any additional skill or extra skill for getting the employment in the present situation, sir? Required any additional or special skills?
Computing skill they need. How to browse it. We see last 2 days onwards we are searching so many things here to deliver. Right? Likewise, as I'm the marketer through digital means, I have to search through which mode I can easily reach the customers, how to get the feedback. Those things, they have to develop some computing skill only, not more than that. Computing skill, much more enough.
Okay, sir. So now the session is handed over to the audience to raise the questions as early as possible.
Very good.
We are having nearing 900 registered participants, sir.
Very good. Thank you.
Almost nearing 306 participants are participated and benefited through this webinar, sir. It is the first attempt. We have successfully achieved our target. So everything only in the hands of the participant and the management side. Now the venue open to the participant to raise questions and clarify their doubts. Participants, kindly ask the questions and clarify your doubts. Participants?
No, if there are no questions, I think we'll go for the next agenda. Let's not waste time.
If any participants wants to ask any question and clarify your doubts, kindly unmute your video and audio.
Yes,
Please.
they need only feedback form.
See was
Sir, I think no one is asking. Let's go to the
we'll
next
go
part of
for-
the agenda.
Okay, sir. Proceed, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you for the opportunity.
Dr. Karpagam ma'am, please be online.
Number picture.
Sir, SK madam is on the line, sir.
Ma'am, please start, ma'am.
Ma'am, unmute your video and the audio. Sir, first you unmute your audio. Audio.
Audio வரல.
CEO, sir.
மேடத்தோட ஆடியோ வரல.
Audio is not audible.
Sir, CEO, sir. Say to Dr. Rajakrishnan, sir, to unmute the audio. CEO, sir. SK madam.
ஆடியோ வரல சார், ஆடியோ வரல.
Karpagam madam, please start talking. Your audio is not. Please unmute the audio.
Madam, unmute your audio, madam. CEO, sir.
So there is some technical issues. I'll ask them to reconnect it. Meanwhile, there was a question
Sir,
which was
audio
raised
வரலைங்க,
by
sir.
one of the persons, sir. Can we share your presentation to all, sir? Dr. Veeramani, sir?
Share it, no problem.
I'll
You can
share
share
it.
it, no problem. You can share it.
Okay, sir.
You can share it, share it, share it.
Sir, Veeramani, sir. Veeramani, sir.
சொல்லுங்க சார்,
Hello.
சொல்லுங்க.
A lot of participants
Okay, go around.
wants your PPT, sir. Then only our CEO is asking that.
ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க சார், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர்
Is
பண்ணுங்க.
it
Please share
okay?
it.
Sir,
an instruction
what
to all
about what of that, sir?
An instruction to all participants that after this is done, on the below side you will find the link.
நீங்களே மட்டும் அப்படி சொல்லுங்க.
You can use the link for feedback submission.
I request to all the participants, today we are having another webinar. Kindly join with us. The organized by the PG and Research Department of Commerce. I request all the participants, those who are in the present seminar, can also join with us for the tomorrow's seminar. Starts by 11 a.m.
Sir, you can formally propose the vote of thanks and we'll close the meeting, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, we'd like to thank you very much for your presence, sir. In fact, we had participants from Sri Lanka, Malaysia, and UAE also. And there are many participants who are from North India like Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Kerala, and Karnataka. And we'd like to thank you for the great help and opportunities, sir. And thank you very much, sir. And for the participants, you can watch the link. The link is ready. You please. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And
Thank you, sir.
participants, please fill your name properly, because every time this happens that the names are not properly done and the certificates gets wrongly go around. So please click the link. The link is online. You can check it out, and we will also paste the link in the chat box.
Sir, CEO sir.
Yes, sir.
சார் ராஜகிருஷ்ணன் சார் உள்ள வராப்புல பாருங்க என்னன்னு கேளுங்க. எதுவும் சொல்லிருக்கீங்களா? ஓவர் தேங்க்ஸ். இல்ல நீ முடிச்சு. ராஜகிருஷ்ணன் சார். ராஜகிருஷ்ணன் சார். Hello. Sir, you wind up the shall we wind up the session, sir?
Yeah, we'll wind up the session, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, thank you, Veeramani, sir.
Right. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks for your nice presentation with a simple manner, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.